Hey, what's up guys, this is Vikas once again back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create a business card like this in just PowerPoint. So this business card is looking so awesome and attractive, and the color combination is quite good guys. So as you can see here, I have created the front side and back side of the business card in this tutorial. So I'm using here a company name, my name, and the business email and the location of the companies I have placed over here. Also I have created a logo. Also I have placed a logo of the company or the organization over here. So this is the same logo I have created in previous tutorial so that I can use in this particular tutorial. So before start creating guys, I just want to request you, if you are new on this channel and watching this video for the first time and haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that you'll get notified whenever we upload a new video. So without wasting any further time guys, let's get started. First click on the insert option. Here you will find a new slide option. Just click on that and choose a blank slide over here. So I'm going to create the front side first, and then after that I will create the back side of this business card. Okay, so now I'm going to copy these color samples over here so that I can use the color over my blank slide. Okay, so right click over here, just click on format background option, and here you will find a format background pane. Just click on the solid fill option. Here you will find a color option. Just click on that. Just choose the eyedropper because we are going to choose a reference color from the color sample. So just click on this particular color and fill it over here. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose a rectangle option over here, rectangle shape actually, and drag it over here like this. For now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to make it no outline by clicking on this option. Okay, so just drag this rectangle over the right corner and drag it to bottom like this, and place this over here like this. Just cover the almost half of the slide. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to right click over here and choose the edit point option over here. As you click on the edit point option, you will find a 4 black dot over each corner of this shape. Okay, so now what you have to do, as you click on this corner, you will get 2 adjustment handle over here. So we'll not going to changes in this handle, which is a horizontal handle, but I'm going to change this handle over here. Okay, so just place this handle over here. Now click on this bottom black dot and place this handle over here like this. Now what you have to do, let me take a reference of the previous one. I think we have to drag this shape something here, right click over here and click on edit point option. Just click on this black dot and again adjust this handle like this to decrease the depth of this curve. Okay, I think now it's perfect. So now what I'm going to do, I'm again going to click on insert option, just click on shape option over here. Okay, shape option, and just choose a rectangle over here like this. Now drag a rectangle, fill it with a different color and make it no outline by clicking on this option. Okay, now right click over here, just click on edit point option, just right click over here, click on edit point option. So before doing this, I'm going to make it a little bit wider like this. Okay, now click on the rotate option over here and rotate it 90 degree right. Now place this rectangle over here, right click over here and click on the edit point option over here. Okay. Now drag this point over here like this and drag this point over here like this. Okay. So again you have to make some adjustment over here so that you can do it very carefully. You have to do it very carefully, guys. Now click on this black dot and you will get two adjustment handle. We'll not going to do anything with this handle, but I'm going to adjust this handle over here. So drag it over here like this, and for this handle what I'm going to do, I will drag it innerward like this. Again click on this handle like this. Now click on this handle over here and again adjust this handle like this, and for this handle click on this and adjust this like this. Okay, so we're done with this shape. Now select this shape, choose shape fill option and fill it with this color. Okay, now we're done with this shape, basic shape over here. Now we'll create we will add this icon over here. Before adding icon, we will add the company name. So I'm going to copy all these text over here by pressing Ctrl C and paste this over here like this. So this is company name. For this I'm using agency FB text and the size is 52.5 over here. Okay, and I'm using the different color for the name and different color for the company over here. Okay, for this text I'm using the Humanst 777 BLK. Okay, and the size is 26.3. For this I'm using the same style, and for this email ID I'm again using the same font style and the text is 33.8 over here. Okay, here you have to add your address or headquarter of your companies and the locations or multiple locations of your company you can add here, means 1 or 2 or 3 or more branches over here you can add, and the phone and the email and the location icon I have downloaded from flaticon.com. so this is the very good site from which you can download the icons, vector icons, and use it in your project without any cost. So I will give the link in the description, so check it out guys if you want this type of icons over there. So finally what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this logo from here and paste it over here. So I have already created a separate video to how to make this type of logo in PowerPoint, so you can go there and check out the videos and you will definitely get an clear idea to how to create this type of logo in just PowerPoint. Okay guys, just place this logo over here, okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create this back side of this business card. So I'm again going to click on insert option, just click on new slide option and choose a blank slide over here. For this I'm going to right click over here and choose a format background option, just choose solid fill option and choose a eyedropper from the color option. So there is no need to choose eyedropper here, the color sample is available. So I'm going to click on this and the shape will be filled with this color. Okay, so we have to create this type of effect over here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to again use a rectangle over here. So choose a rectangle and drag it over here like this. For now, what you have to do, make it no outline over here. Okay, so just click on the shape outline option and make it no outline. Okay, just drag it something upward like this. Right click over here and choose edit point option over here. Here you will find a 4 black dot, but we will not going to do anything with the bottom dot, but we are going to do something with this dot. So click on this right black dot and drag these handles like this. Again click on this dot and drag this like this. Okay, click on this. Okay, the shape is ready. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this logo from here and paste it over here like this. So this is so simple tutorial in which I have show you that how you can create a business card in just PowerPoint. So if you have any query, then you can write me in my WhatsApp number, which I have already shown here, 6205273394. So this is the WhatsApp number on which we can chat and solve our queries. So that's all for today, guys. This is all about the tutorial. So that's all for today, guys. See you in the next tutorial. Till now, bye, and thank you very much for watching this video.